The screw. Screws are inclined planes that change circular motion into forward motion. Like the wedge, the screw is a variation of the inclined plane. A screw is an inclined plane spiraled around an axis or cylinder. Some screws, such as the machine screw, have a ridge inclined plane or thread wound tightly around the central cylinder. Others, such as the wood screw, have more space between the threads. Still other screws, such as fans and propellers, have very short sections of inclined planes sticking out from the central axis. Whatever the appearance, screws are designed to change the direction of effort. When a wood screw is placed against a piece of wood, turning the screw in a circle with a screwdriver makes the screw go down into the wood. Circular motion is turned into forward motion. This is how a rotating propeller on a powerboat or airplane makes the vehicle go forward. In a similar way, if a propeller is held in a fixed position when it rotates, it will push air forward. This is how a fan creates a nice current of air to cool you on a hot summer day. Screws can be used to produce mechanical advantage. People who lift houses in order to repair foundations use jack screws for the job. A jack screw is a threaded shaft with a platform on one end. A nut with a handle is screwed onto the threaded shaft and positioned on a solid base. When effort is applied to the handle, the screw changes the direction of the force upward. The effort applied to the handle is multiplied many times so that the jack screw user can lift incredibly large loads. Metal screws, nuts and bolts, vices and C-clamps all use screws to hold things together securely. The mechanical advantage of a nut on a bolt screw, combined with the mechanical advantage of a wrench, wheel, and axle, provide a lot of force. That force is enough to hold together bridges, cars, trucks, trains, and heavy machinery under the most demanding conditions. The wood screw. A wood screw holds materials together better than a nail does. The screw threads cut grooves into the wood. The grooves keep the screw from slipping. When you put a screw into wood, you demonstrate several simple machines at once. The tip of the screw is a wedge that separates the wood. The ridges of the screw are an inclined plane. If you use a screwdriver to turn the screwdriver's handle acts as a wheel, while the tool's shaft and the screw act as an axle.